Morning!
Morning. So today we are leaving Jeju, and we are flying to Busan.
Yeah, so we've got to drive to the airport, take the car back, hope that that's fine, and then go and try and check in for the flight.
Yeah, we've got plenty of time.
Yeah,
because we need to get the car back by 10, and our flight's not until 10 to 2.
Yeah.
And the place is at the airport, so we can just find somewhere to chill out and go from there.
Get something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Travel day.
Check in yet. There was a minute where it was like, she's having to call people. But she just said we can't check in yet, so we're gonna get some egg drop breakfast. Ordered an egg drop. Now I've got 4 hours in
Yeah, the advantage of when you get something that's entirely in Korean. We think it's 89, but they don't say it on the screen. So we got egg drop, 2 coffees. I've got a French toast sandwich.
American cheese. They didn't have the avocado.
No, we were going to get some green, but oh well.
Oh.
So I got French toast instead. Okay, Korea. So we've checked in. At first they asked us about our stuff, and then they didn't after, so
Hopefully it's fine.
hopefully it's fine. Yeah. I'll show you the whale. Giant whale. Security. Yeah, went alright, although I lost my little pocket knife on my wallet, despite being through multiple international airports and never having an issue. They were like, no, I was like, fine. So that's gone, but that's fine. Have to pick up another one at some point. Now we've got a few hours before our plane, so just hang out. Goodbye, Jeju. Don't move that card.
It's been very easy so far. Let's hope it stays like this.
Yes.
Going down to the metro.
made it to Busan. Yeah, so this is all that way. The ocean that way, and then there's mountains that way. Not bad. So yeah, we're exploring the city for about 6 days. And we're just, enjoying this amazing evening. So yeah, see you in a bit.
So this is our room in Busan. Got a really nice guy checking us in. Love it. I don't even know what the lights are for the best.
Hey! So we have just been to the beach and now we are going to go to explore a little bit of Busan before the sun all goes. And we also need dinner at some point. Yeah, this is where we're staying in our hostel. Yeah, it's nice. As you can see, we got a bit of the city behind us. And this area is a little touristy. Hence there's an Outback Steakhouse, which is ridiculous. But then in front of us is this. Just that way is the beach. So, one second, just don't want to get run over. I mean, it's a nice beach. What a gorgeous evening that.
It's nice to have some sunshine.
What's the plan now?
We're gonna head over that way towards the sunset.
That way? Yeah.
To Bay 101, which is where a lot of the boat tours and marina things are, but you can go to the area and in the building for free to get nice views.
Cool. We were saying all these big piles of sand will be all the sand that has been pushed onto the promenade from the typhoon the other day. So they just sort of pushed them off, and it kind of gives you an indication of just how much sand actually moved. What a lovely evening. Once again, treated to a pretty spectacular sunset. We found all the cats. Hello. Alex has gone up there. So we just enjoyed a lovely sunset. Had some great views, but we are going to go get some dinner now.
Yes.
And because that's about it. But yeah, I'll probably end this video here because we made it to Busan.
Yeah.
Cool. Dinner
Great
time.
first impression.
Yeah, very much so. Right, see you in a bit.